Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious Ofe Akwu Banga stew. So if you want to know how I prepared it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So friends, to begin, I will start by parboiling the meat, as you can see, and I just added onions, thyme and Maggie seasoning. Yeah, I didn't add water for this meat. I just started parboiling it. I added chili pepper. Yes guys, this pepper is very sharp, but you can use any peppers of your choice. You can use fresh pepper if you like. Yeah, so as you can see, the meat is just coming out from the freezer and is already washed and clean. For the meat, I'm only parboiling it. I just want the seasonings to enter inside the meat. Yeah, and for the meat, I'm using cow meat. I will put all the ingredients in my description box if you care to know. So I will go ahead and add my mackerel fish, which is already washed and clean, and leave it to boil. Yeah, so as it is boiling, I will go ahead and remove the meat and start frying it. You can as well gray your meat if you like, but I fried mine. I will fry the fish and the meat. So continue watching guys. For all the ingredients I use, you can check the description box. Yes guys. So next is my palm cream. Yes, this is my palm cream I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and dissolve it. Yeah, if you are living in diaspora, you can get this palm cream in any African shop in your area. It also tastes very nice. There is no difference with the taste of the palm nuts, the fresh one. So the reason I'm filtering this out is to get all the dirt out. So guys, after filtering it out, I'm going to allow it to cook. But before then, I will be adding my onions, chopped onions, and some crayfish. Yes guys, then I will allow it to cook. But before I cover it to cook, I will allow it to foam out, as you can see. Yes, because when you cover it and it's foaming out, everything will just be pouring out. So you have to allow it to foam out, and as it's foaming out, you will be turning it to make sure it doesn't pour out. Yes guys, it's normal when you are cooking Banga stew. At this stage, the foam is too much, so I have to remove it from the flame and reduce the flame. So guys, I reduce the flame and I leave it on a low heat. As you can see, the foaming is slowing down right now.
10 minutes later.
So guys, at this stage, I will be adding my chili pepper. This pepper is so sharp. Yes guys. Next is to cover it and allow it to cook again until oil flows out. Yeah. So guys, at this stage the oil is floating out, and the next stage is to add in my fried fish and the meat. Yes, all the things I fried, I'm going to be adding it inside. At this stage, you can just go ahead and add all your meats, any meat of your choice, any meat you are using to cook. Yeah, you can use chicken, you can use turkey, it doesn't matter. You can as well add dry fish. Yes guys. So the next stage is to give it a quick stir. Yeah, and the stew is getting ready. I'm gonna be adding some seasoning. After adding the Maggie seasoning, next is to add salt to taste. Yeah. For this recipe, I use curry leaves. Yeah. And this curry leaves is from Africa, so I just remove it from the freezer. I washed it and added it inside. You can also use any leaves of your choice like otazi, oziza leaves, any leaves of your choice, it doesn't matter. The taste will still come out good. And if you've not tried this Banga Ofe Akwu stew, you are missing. If you try this stew, you will not taste tomato stew again. Yeah, so I will just allow it to cook for a few minutes and our Banga stew is ready. The taste is something else. The aroma is something else. Believe me guys, this stew is so delicious. Okay guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are my OG subscribers, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.
Yo.